Welcome to today's session. In today's session, one of the unique topic in our mathematics, that is sets in our 10th standard, which is our chapter number 2, set. Yes, what do you mean by set? Set is a well-defined collection of objects. What do you mean by set? It is a well-defined collection of object. It is a well-defined collection of objects, and the objects in the set are called elements. What? The objects in the set are called elements. Set is set of elements are written in the brackets, that is open bracket and closed bracket. So let me explain what is the definition of set. It is a well-defined collection of objects. It is a well-defined collection of objects. Suppose, let me take one example. A set of first 5 prime numbers. A set of first 5 prime numbers. Okay. As we know that, what are the first 5 prime numbers? The first 5 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. These are the first 5 prime numbers. What I said? A set of first 5 prime numbers. Okay. See, it is a well-defined collection of objects. We are defining which is a well-defined. Here they are first 5 prime numbers, and what I said, the objects in the set are called elements. The objects in the set are called elements. See here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, they are called elements. They are the elements of set, and set is written in the brackets. See, actually we have to write set like this. We have to open the bracket and we have to close the bracket. Curly brackets we say that. Okay. So don't write open bracket and close bracket. Generally sets is represented, sets are represented within the open bracket and closed bracket like this. And elements and the objects in the set, are called elements, and elements are separated by comma. Elements are separated by the comma. So what is our set? Set is a well-defined collection of objects. And second point, the objects in the set are called elements, and they are separated by the comma, and set are written in the brackets, that is open bracket and closed brackets. And one more important point is set is represented by capital English alphabets, that is A, B, C, etc. Okay. So suppose our set is a set of first 5 prime numbers. Let me represent with the letter P, that is P equal to set of 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. For example, one more set of first 5 positive integers. What is the set? Set of first 5 positive integers. Yes, what are the first 5 positive integers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the objects in the set. They are separated by the comma. And these are called elements of the set. Okay, which are written in the curly brackets. So let me give the name of the set. Our set is first 5 positive integers. Let me represent with letter I. Name of the set is I. I equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So for example, one more set. Set of first 5 multiples of 3. Set of first 5 multiples of 3. First 5 multiples. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. These are the multiples of 5. First 5 multiples of 3. Let me represent with this letter as M. M equal to set of 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. Understood what do you mean by set? Set is nothing but it is a well-defined collection of objects. This is the definition of set. It is a well-defined collection of objects. And the second point, the object in the set are called elements. Okay. So the elements in the set are enclosed by a brackets. The elements in the set are separated by the comma and which are retained in the brackets. Okay. This is about the set. Okay. Now representation of set. How to represent a set? Representation of sets. We can represent sets in two forms. One is roster form. And the second one is set builder form. Okay, we can represent sets in two ways. One is roster form and other one is set builder form. Okay, let me say one example. For example, my set is M. M is the set of molars in our teeth. What is our set? Set of molars in our teeth. Actually, we have 3 molars. So, what is the first molar? Second molar, third molar. What is our set name? Our set is set of molars in our teeth. So we have 3 molars, that is first molar, second molar and third molars. Right? For example, one more set of digits in Ramanujan number. Set of the digits in the Ramanujan number. Yes, what is the Ramanujan number? Let me represent with the letter R. What is the Ramanujan number? That is 1729. So what are the digits in the Ramanujan number? 1, 7, 2, 9. 1, 7, 2, 9. And set of first 5 cubic numbers. Set of first 5 cube numbers. That is 1, 8, 3 cube, 27, 4 cube, 64, 5 cube, 125. See, observe these 3 sets. Our first set is set of molars in our teeth. We have 3 molars. First molar, second molar, third molar. Second set is set of digits in Ramanujan number. That is 1, 7, 2, 9. And third set is set of first 5 cube numbers. 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. See, when we write the elements in the set, see, when we write the elements in the set, see, these are the elements. These are the elements in the set. These are the elements in the set. And what do you mean by roster form? When we write the elements in the set in this way, I mean the elements are separated by the commas which are enclosed in the brackets. Okay, we are representing the set in this form. I mean we are separating the elements of set by a comma. We are separating the elements of set by a comma. We write the list of elements in the set like this. So this form is called roster form. Roster form is nothing but when we list the elements in set in this form. When we list, these are the elements in the list, elements in the set which are represented by a comma. We are separating the elements in a set with comma, and we are listing the elements in that set. So this form is called as roster form. Understood what you mean by roster form? When we list the elements in the set by when we list the elements in a set, the elements in a set by a comma within the closed brackets, then this form is called as roster form. Got it? What do you mean by roster form? Next one. Coming to set builder form. If you want to second form is set builder form. Set builder form. What do you mean by set builder form? When we write the elements in a set by defining its common property. What do you mean by set builder form? When we write the set by defining its elements with a common property. So first, suppose let me say one example. Set of first 5 multiples of 3. What is the set? Set of first 5 multiples of for example 4. Set of first 5 multiples of 4. Actually, what are the first 5 multiples of 4? 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. These are the first 5 multiples of 4. So these are the first 5 multiples of 4. When we write the set by listing the elements with a common property. When you want to represent set by using set builder form, we have to follow certain syntax. We have to follow some syntax. Okay, let me represent with this common property using set builder form. Right? For example, name of the set is A, open bracket, C, x such that how to read x such that x is a multiple of 4 is a multiple of 4 and x should be less than 24. See, where these are the elements in the set. These all are having common property. What is the common property? They are the multiples of 4 and they are less than first 5 multiples and they are less than 24. So the common property is they are the multiples of 4. That's why this is the syntax. When we are writing the elements in the set by using set builder form, we have to follow this syntax. That is x such that x is a multiple of 4. It is a multiple of 4 and x must be less than 24. X should be less than 24. Got it? How to write elements in the set by using set builder form. Actually, we can represent a set by using two forms. The first form is roster form. First form is roster form and the second form is set builder form. The second form is set builder form. See, we are writing a list of elements in the set by a comma. So, see, this is called our roster form. We are writing the elements in a set with a comma. We are writing elements in the set by a comma. Then we say that it is a roster form. If we follow certain syntax, then we can say that it is a set builder form. Okay. Now the thing is, now we have to discuss about the belongingness of elements in the set. Belongingness. What is that? Belongingness. Belongingness. Okay. Suppose you observe the set A. What is the set A? Belongingness of the elements in a set. For example, set A equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Now the question is whether the element 5 element 5 is belongs to set A. Yes, the element 5 is there in set A or not? Yes. The element 5 which is there in set A, then we can write as 5 is belongs to A. This is the symbol that is called belongs to. Yes, here the element 5 which is there in set A, then we say that 5 belongs to A. Suppose the element 9 is there in set A. No, 9 is not there in set A. Then we say that 9 does not belongs to set A. How to read it as does not belongs to. Understood what do you mean by belongingness of the set? If the element is there in set, we say that that element belongs to given set. If the element is not there in the set, then we say that that element does not belongs to set A. Okay, and this is our introduction to the set. If you understand this introduction, then we can go with the exercise 2.1. So once again, what do you mean by set? Set is nothing but it is a well-defined collection of objects. And the elements in the set are called, the objects in the set are called elements. Objects in the set are called elements. And set is represented by capital English alphabets. Okay. And the object in the set are called elements. We can represent set in two forms. One is roster form and second one is set builder form. In roster form, we will represent the elements in the set by a comma. And whereas in set builder form, we list the elements with a common property. Okay, we have to follow certain syntax that we have discussed now. Okay, this is about introduction to sets. In the next session, we will discuss about exercise 2.1. Okay, I hope you all understood today's introduction about sets. Thank you.